Hi, my name is Owen, and today I will be teaching you how to make an origami box. This is what it will look like at the end. So it's a modular piece of origami, which means it's made up of many different pieces of paper. So I'll teach you how to make the units, and then I'll teach you how to conjoin them at the end. So first you're going to fold the paper. First you're going to fold the paper in half. Crease it. Now open it up and fold each edge to the center crease. Do the same on the other side. Now make sure you leave like a millimeter in between so they don't overlap. You can check by doing this. Now unfold that. And now you're going to fold this top edge to this crease that we just made for every corner. And again, make sure you don't make it overlap. And now, on this crease that we already made, we're just going to refold it in, but keep these corners folded. So it should look like that now. And then now we're going to make diagonal folds. So this side is going to go down, and then the other side's going to go up. And now you're going to take each side and then tuck it in like that, this pocket right here, like that, and like that. So it should look like this now. Now we flip it over and rotate it so it looks like this. And then now we're going to make it like, once we do the next step, it's going to look like a square. So we're just going to fold from this point and make this and then make this align with make this side align with this side. Do the same on the other side. And that's how you make one of the units. So I'm going to make the other units now. You can just You need to make 6 units. So once you've done all your units, now you can assemble them. So basically how you assemble them is you take 2 units, and then you take this point, you take a point from it, and then you take a point from one of them, and then you basically just slide it in one of the pockets like that. And then you do the same for all of them. And it doesn't matter where the colors are put. You might not even have colored paper. Sometimes it can get confusing. You might have done them in, I think I've done some of them in the wrong direction. So like if it just is in the wrong direction, then you take this part out. And then if this was up, then you make it go down instead. So it's fine if you did it wrong a little bit. Because you can easily fix it. See, now I did it in the right direction. Well, that just fell out. Sorry about our dog making noise. And our dog's coming in the room. See, I have to fix this one now too. Don't think you're bad at it if you have to switch it. I always have to switch it a lot of the times. And I have to switch this one. And now after you finished it, just make sure you push every piece in all the way and make sure the corners aren't open. And if you ever want to put something in it, you could always just take off one piece. You could always take off one piece and put something in it like that. So thanks for watching.
Cut.